why AI is revolutionizing the world, and why you should study it. Now, in the past few years, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as one of the most transformative forces in the world. From healthcare to entertainment, business to education, AI is reshaping how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The technology's potential seems limitless, and its impact is only growing. But why exactly is AI revolutionizing the world, and why should you start studying it now? Let's dive into these questions and explore the future of AI. The role of AI in revolutionizing the world. One of the most profound impacts AI has had is on automation. Tasks that were once performed manually are now being executed by machines, from manufacturing processes to customer service. AI can handle repetitive, mundane tasks with precision and speed, which not only saves time, but also reduces human error. In industries such as healthcare, AI is already being used to process medical data, interpret scans, and even help doctors make more accurate diagnoses. This means fewer delays, more productivity, and a sharper focus on higher-value tasks for workers. The world is generating more data than ever before, and AI has become the key to unlocking its full potential. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide insights that would be impossible for a human to discover in a reasonable time frame. Whether it's predicting market trends, detecting fraudulent activities, or improving personalized experiences for consumers, AI's ability to analyze big data is changing industries across the board. AI is behind many of the personalized experiences we now expect in our daily lives. From Netflix recommending shows to Amazon suggesting products, AI's machine learning algorithms are learning our preferences and behaviors, creating more tailored recommendations. In education, AI can help create personalized learning paths for students, ensuring that they receive the right resources at the right time, while in healthcare, AI can predict and personalize treatment plans for patients based on their unique needs. The future of work is also being redefined by AI. As AI continues to take on more complex tasks, it is shifting the role of human workers. While some jobs may become automated, AI is also creating new opportunities in fields like AI development, data science, and robotics. Workers will need to adapt by acquiring skills in areas where AI complements human intelligence, such as problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence. This evolution in the workplace will require a shift in how we educate and train future generations of workers. Alongside its benefits, AI also brings challenges, particularly in terms of ethics and social impact. Issues like algorithmic bias, privacy concerns, and the potential for job displacement are topics that are increasingly being debated. Understanding AI's potential consequences, both positive and negative, is crucial in ensuring that this technology is developed and implemented responsibly. Why you should study AI. Now, the rapid advancement of AI has led to an increased demand for professionals who understand how to create, implement, and optimize AI systems. From tech giants like Google and Microsoft to smaller startups, organizations across industries are actively seeking AI experts. This demand is only expected to grow as AI continues to integrate deeper into the fabric of everyday life. By studying AI now, you can position yourself at the forefront of one of the most exciting and lucrative fields in technology. AI knowledge opens the door to numerous career paths. Whether you want to become an AI engineer, data scientist, machine learning specialist, or AI ethics consultant, the possibilities are endless. Additionally, AI is not limited to the tech industry. Fields like healthcare, finance, entertainment, and manufacturing are all adopting AI, creating opportunities for interdisciplinary professionals. The flexibility to pivot and explore different industries makes AI a valuable skill for anyone entering the job market. Studying AI doesn't just offer career benefits, it also gives you the chance to shape the future. By understanding how AI works, you can contribute to the development of ethical, fair, and responsible AI systems. You can also be part of solving global challenges, such as climate change, poverty, and disease, using AI-driven solutions. The technology is still evolving, and your knowledge and creativity can help ensure that it's used for the greater good. AI is not just a tool for automation, it's also a powerful catalyst for innovation. By studying AI, you'll be equipped with problem-solving techniques that leverage data, algorithms, and computational models. This can help you think more creatively and solve complex challenges in ways that weren't possible before. Whether you're creating a new product, optimizing business operations, or designing a better healthcare system, AI provides the tools to drive innovation in any field. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already embedded in our lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and smart home devices, AI is part of the technology we use daily. By studying AI now, you'll not only understand how these technologies work, but also stay ahead in a world that's increasingly reliant on AI. This knowledge will give you a competitive edge, whether you're working in business, tech, or any other sector. Conclusion. The AI revolution is happening right now, and its impact on our world is undeniable. From transforming industries to creating new career opportunities, AI is reshaping every aspect of our lives. As AI continues to advance, those who understand its workings will be better equipped to navigate the future. Whether you want to build AI systems, shape its ethical use, or harness its potential to drive innovation, studying AI now is one of the smartest decisions you can make. The future is AI-driven, and the time to get involved is now. Don't miss the opportunity to be part of a technological revolution that's only just beginning.